Let's create. So today I'm going to compare two type of salmons. Both weigh about the same amount, 0.38 pounds versus 0.41, so it's pretty much the same amount. And I'm going to compare, both of them are fresh, not previously frozen. And I'm going to compare the wild caught versus the farm. First thing I want you to notice is the color. See the wild caught salmon versus the farm raised. Darker, richer in color. Now, when you look at the nutritional factors, and I'm going to put this on the screen now, you can look for yourself and do your own comparison. You know what is good for you, and you know what is bad for you. But here are the comparisons between the wild caught salmon and the farm raised salmon. And some of those factors are different nutritional factors because of the salmon diet. Clearly, farm raised salmon have a different diet fit by the farmers, and the wild caught relies on the wild, you know. So let's go to the next step. So now I'm going to keep it simple because I want to compare the taste. In order to do that, I had to keep things consistently. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put a little bit of sea salt, just a little bit, few flakes, huh? Few flakes. I'm using my Icelandic sea salt, the flaky one. That's it, because I want to compare them similarly. And I have my oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's already preheated. So I have my cast iron. And I put an aluminum foil and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put both salmons here. I do have some lemon. Going to put some there and here. Actually, let me put it on top of each, so it's consistent. And I'm going to put it in the oven. And you're going to cook them until they become somewhat flaky, but I'm going to show you, okay? So it's been about 15, 17 minutes. And you know it cooked because when you do this, they're going to be flaky. See? They're flaky. So they're ready. Turn the oven off. Get them out. So I cook a side of pearl couscous or Israeli couscous. I have some nice vegetables which I saute. But the thing is about the salmon. See how flaky and nice it is? Both of them are. Actually, let me turn this one around to have equal comparison. This is the wild caught. See how dark? Versus the farm raised. Both of them are fresh. Let me give it a taste. This one tastes a little bit gamey in a way. Both of them are good, by the way. Yeah. Yeah, this one have a stronger taste. Salmon taste. Sniff. I call this the sniff test when I kind of sniff it a little bit. For some reason, this smell a little bit more fishy than this one. But it could be the salmon. I don't know. But both of them are delicious, by the way. I'm not going to downplay one over the other. For some reason, this fatty area tastes very good. Very well. The skin remained completely on the salmon. This one, even with the aluminum foil, lost some of the skin when I was cooking it in the oven. So this one is stronger. It doesn't break down that easy, see? See the structure versus this one? And I'm going to enjoy these babies with a little bit of my couscous, Israeli couscous, and as well some of my nice looking sauté vegetables. Isn't that beautiful?